Hurd AeroPLUS Slam Latch Adjustment. Congratulations on purchasing a Hurd. This AeroPLUS bumper is equipped with our industry-leading Slam Latch. Your Slam Latch will require periodic adjustment to ensure optimum performance. The following is an incremental adjustment procedure. To ensure proper adjustment, always make a finer adjustment than the previous step. To test if your bumper needs adjustment, simply shake your bumper. If rattling occurs, an adjustment is needed. Before starting the adjustment on your bumper, let us review the components you'll be adjusting. Each iteration of the adjustment will result in either a loose, over-tightened, or perfect adjustment. You will be raising and lowering the 3/8 adjustment bolts, causing the ramp plate to loosen or tighten. This is an example of a loose adjustment. In this state, the ramp plate is further away from the claw. This is an example of an over-tightened adjustment. In this state, the ramp plate is blocking the claw from closing. You will not be able to close your bumper. This is an example of a perfect adjustment. The ramp plate will be near flush with the claw and no rattling should occur. Open the bumper to access the mechanism. The Slam Latch adjustment must be carried out on both driver and passenger sides. Loosen both half-inch hex bolts on both driver and passenger side that secures the latch ramp in place. Loosen both bolts to the point where the washers are still snug. Lower the rear 3/8 adjustment bolt so it moves away from the ramp plate. Raise the front 3/8 adjustment bolt. This will close the gap between the ramp plate and claw. Close the Hurd bumper and check tightness by shaking the bumper. This test has 3 possible outcomes. We have separated these into the following cases. After each adjustment, test the tightness again to determine if the latch requires further adjustment. To ensure proper adjustment, always make a finer adjustment than the previous one. 1. If no rattling occurs, your adjustment is complete. 2. If rattling occurs, the bar is still loose and requires another iteration of tightening. Lower the rear 3/8 inch adjustment bolt and raise the front 3/8 inch adjustment bolt. Three, if the latch does not engage, you may have over-tightened the latch. To fix this, lower the front 3/8 inch adjustment bolt and raise the rear 3/8 inch adjustment bolt. Tighten the top and bottom bolts to 110 foot-pounds. Your adjustment is complete.